Hello, how are you children? I hope everybody is fine at your home. Today we will discuss exercise 19.1. First question, arrange the following data as an array. That what is meant by data array? Data array meaning given in observation you have to arrange in ascending or descending order. Third class onwards you are studying how to arrange the number in ascending or descending. No need to discuss too much this data array. Even then you see the answer arranged like that. See, smallest to greatest number. Here also second part also smallest to greatest number. Okay children. Question number 2. Question number 2 is the weight of 25 students given. You have to use arrange in a frequency distribution table. That raw data given. This is ungrouped frequency children. Ungrouped frequency table you are making meaning each data each observation you are checking how many time coming, not grouping the numbers. Okay, individually you are taking each observation. So first you have to arrange this data in ascending order. That is easy for you for the tabulation. Okay, so arranging this data like this. See, smallest number to greatest number, then smallest 30, 5 children, 32, 2, this is the frequency, upside I written, 34, 3 times, 37, 2 times, I arranged like this. After that you can draw the tabular column. See, horizontal way I represented, you can draw in vertical way also, weight in kg, and tally mark frequency. Frequency you know how many time your observation coming, that is frequency, representing 5 in tally mark. That also you know, that straight line stick only you will use. Till 4 stick you can draw. 5 meaning you cut it, that 4 stick, that is 5. Okay, frequency only you will use for representing tally mark. Okay, not a day, that observation. Frequency you will you denote by tally mark. Clear? Like that. Question number 3. Question number 3. What is question number 3? Question number 3. The following data show the number of workers present in the month of July during workshop in a company every day. Okay, July month workers. How many workers coming? How many days? That representation. Okay, that is your data. That also first you have to arrange it in ascending order. Arrange ascending, that is easy for the tabulation. Okay, arrange like this way, smallest number to greatest number. After that you draw the tabular with that horizontal way I represented. Number of workers, 5 workers came in 2 days, 10 workers came in 7 days, 15 workers coming in 3 days. You check it. 5 how many time coming? 2 time. How many time? 10. 7 time. We already arranged, I shown. So 7 how you will represent? 4 stick you can draw straight, and 5 meaning cut it, that is 5, 6, 7. Okay, 6 meaning 1, 2, 3, 4 stick straight, cut it, that is 5, 1 more 6. Clear this? This is called ungrouped frequency. Ungrouped means children, you are taking each observation individually. After that you put in tally mark and you are taking frequency. Okay, here grouped meaning number you are making in groups, that is called grouped frequency. Fourth one you can do as homework. Fifth one, grouped frequency, we will discuss. Question number 5. Question number 5. The following data shows the marks obtained by 40 students mark given. And a group, how to make a group? 0 to 9, 10 to 19, 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49, till which is the maximum number you check it. Till there you group 9 intervals, 9 width. Okay. And see, first you have to group that ascending order you can write, then it is easy for you. Otherwise counting is little bit difficult. See, 0 to 9, how many numbers are there? By black tick mark I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 children having. Okay, 0 to in between and including 0 and 9, how many children? 5 children. Now 10 to 9, how many? 7 children having 10 to 19. You can count it. Okay. After that, you can write inside the table 0 to 9 class interval, 10 to 19, 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 40 till 49 is there. Okay. 48 also, because 9 intervals given. 9 width should be 9 in between. Okay. So 0 to 9, how many children? 5. So tally number 1, 2, 3, 4. After that you cut it, that is 5. Here how many children are there? 7 children. So 1, 2, 3, 4, cut it 5, 6, 7. Here also 7, 15. 15 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 meaning cutting, that is 5. 5 plus 5, 10 plus 5, 15. Here 5 plus 1, 6. Total frequency 40. In question also given 40 children mark only given in the question. Okay. This is the grouped frequency table, because numbers we are making groups. Clear? Now question number 6. The height in centimeter. 30 students in a class are followed. 30 students height given. 30 students height given. See. And grouping also. Arrange the data by using grouped free. Here they are not at all given class interval. You have to make the group. I made 5 width group. You can make 3 group to 120 to 123. No problem. 3 width also, 2 width also. That is depending upon you. But width should be same for each interval. Okay. Here I taken 5 width. 120 to 125, 125 to 130, 130 to 130. Now 125 here also, where you will include? Here. Okay. Till 124 only we will include here. Okay. 125 here to 129. 130 only you will include here only. Okay. So you count it 120 in between 120 and 124. Including 120 and 124, how many children? 6. Like that 125 to 129, how many children? 1. Okay, like that. After that a tally mark. 6, how you will make a tally mark children? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, 1 tally mark. Here 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 2, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 1, then 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 1. Clear? This is called grouped frequency table, because numbers we are grouping. Here you can write 120, I taken 5 width. You can write 120 to 124, like that also you can write 124. Here 125 to 129. Then how much width? 4 width. Okay, here 5 I taken, you can take 4. So okay, that is your wish. Understand everybody, children? Now next video, I will teach you 19.3 exercise related example and concepts. Okay.